Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. Consuming peas on a daily basis, just like any other meal, has the potential to have both positive and bad impacts, depending on the individual's overall diet and their state of health. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Peas are a nutritious vegetable that, when consumed as part of a diet that is balanced, offer a number of health benefits, including the following. 1. High nutrient content. Peas are an excellent source of a variety of vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and numerous B vitamins, minerals, including potassium and iron, and dietary fiber. Peas are a superb supply of vital nutrients. These nutrients are essential for one's general health and well-being and play a vital role in both. 2. Fiber. Peas are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which can improve digestive health, regulate blood sugar levels, and produce a sensation of fullness, all of which can help with managing weight. 3. Antioxidants. Peas include antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and may lower the risk of developing chronic diseases. Peas are a good source of antioxidants because they are low in calories. 4. Protein. Peas are a good source of the plant-based protein known as pea protein, which can be beneficial for vegetarians, vegans, and people who are trying to cut down on the amount of meat they eat. 5. Peas have a low calorie count compared to other vegetables, which makes them a good choice for individuals who are trying to limit the amount of food they consume overall. 6. Peas may contribute to heart health by helping to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and enhance overall cardiovascular function. Peas are rich in fiber, potassium, and phytonutrients, all of which are essential components of a healthy diet. Peas should be consumed as part of a well-balanced and diverse diet that also includes a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Eating peas every day can be part of a healthy diet. However, it is vital to remember that in order for this to be the case, peas should be consumed as part of the diet. Excessive consumption of any one meal might potentially cause imbalances in a person's diet and the amount of nutrients that they take in. Additionally, some people may be more sensitive to specific molecules that are found in peas, such as lectins, which can cause stomach pain in particular circumstances. This is something that can vary from person to person. If you find that eating peas causes you to have any uncomfortable side effects, it is best to reduce the amount you eat or discuss the matter with a qualified medical practitioner. Peas are a great source of nutrition, and include them in your daily diet as part of a varied and well-balanced meal plan can be an excellent decision for your body as a whole, as well as a contributor to your health and happiness. Like, share, subscribe and comment.